Hello, my name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be showing you how to use the Google Chrome extension. So first of all, you're going to want to sign into Google and sign into Google Chrome. So signing into Google Chrome is pretty simple. Kind of look it up, and lots of tutorials on how to do that online. It's very simple, very easy. And then you're going to want to add this little guy to your Google Chromes. It's called Google Classroom. Share to Classroom, to be more specific. And this allows you to share anything to your students. If you are a teacher and you use Google Classroom, this allows you to share anything to your students, any websites to your students. So if I go to a completely different website, such as YouTube, I can go here, and send this website to my students, if I had any. And then you can also create an announcement. You can also ask a question to your students, and then you can also make an announcement to your students. Just kind of play around with it. It's really cool. There's also a feedback bar, and there's also a help bar. And so that is how you use the Google Classroom Chrome extension. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.